Alright, y'all, so it's day 89. It's 4:42 right now, a bit of a later start. But we're gonna head out. We're gonna do another 8 miles again. And so I'll see you when I get back. Alright, y'all, so I am back from my 8 mile run. And I have to say, 3 straight days of quicker times, like, it's crazy. So today I did 8 miles in an hour, 6 minutes and 44 seconds. That was an 8 minute, 20-second pace. So it's my fastest run for the year for sure. And it's definitely one of my fastest runs probably in 3 years, not gonna lie. So I'm happy about that. And like the way that would translate on an actual race, like when you're running on the road, there's so many other distractions, so many other things that would slow your time down, right? Like traffic or, jogging around other people. The race course, there's no interruptions, it's just you. I mean, there are obviously other people running, but it's not like the things that will be there to, slow you down. So, yeah, I'm really happy with that, and it can only get better from here. So, I got to make sure that I'm definitely staying on top of things like my diet, my rest, my stretching, to ensure that we continue to get quicker times. Anyway, that's about it. Breakfast for me is gonna be around 11, so I'll see you at that time. Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to head out, but breakfast is gonna be around 11. So today it's pretty much a similar breakfast. Gonna have a Fuji apple. Gotta get some type of fruit or vegetable in every day. So I'm gonna get that Fuji apple in, as well as the same pancakes, 3 of them, and as well as the granola that I had yesterday. The calorie count is going to be about the same for breakfast, so it's not going to be much different. And then, as you can see, for lunch, I'm going to have the lentils along with the bread. Each slice is probably about 70 calories. So we're looking at, about a 500, 600 calorie lunch. And we're going to also have that bar. So I think it's just like a dates bananas. That bar is about close to like 200 calories. So we're looking at like 700, 800 calories overall for lunch. So that's where we are. And as I said, prior to breakfast and throughout the day, we'll be drinking the tea, so that I'm doing those 2 things of recovering my body, as well as keeping myself, like suppressing my appetite, keeping me from eating, before the time and eating too much. So, I've talked about tea, but like it's really important to really get in that water as well. And so I'll be trying to drink more water today also. That's like really, really vital, because it also has similar effects to tea as well, suppressing the appetite. And helping with overall weight loss. So you'll definitely be seeing me drinking a lot more water. There's something that I know I have to improve on, and that a lot of us have to improve on in terms of the amount of water that we drink. So that's something I'm working on for the rest of this challenge, and not just the rest of the challenge, but like, every day. So yeah, and I'm also gonna probably put in the description how some of the scientific evidence behind water and why it's so significant for weight loss. So that's going to be it for day 89. Tomorrow is going to be a packed day because we're going to be going over all of the benefits that we've seen over the past 3 months, really. So that's huge. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 90. You guys have a great one. Peace.